Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. It is a great day here at AutoCAD, AutoCAD 2D training, and we are and we are here today to talk about the texting. Yeah. So uh texting enables us to be more specific on what we are doing. Let's say we have drawn a block, we have to name it and we shall use the texting. If we have if let's say it is a plan and we are showing the rooms, if this is a bedroom, if this is a room, if this one is a washroom, we have to use the texting. Yeah. So in today's video, let's be together as we go through the texting command. Yeah, it's what we are going to talk about today, and later we shall be able to talk about the texting command. So without going far, let's get started. So friends, if you are new on this channel, consider subscribe. If you are new on this channel, consider subscribing to our channel. Let us take this channel to a far. Here we talk about CAD skills. Yeah, easy ways of doing CAD skills. Yeah, so the texting is found in the home, or we can find it in the annotate tab. Yeah, it's here. Here you are showing multi-line text. Here we have a drop down which shows us two types of texts. Yeah, we have a multi-line text and a single line text. We shall be seeing the difference between the multi-line text and the single line text. Yeah, so the difference between a multi-line text is that for a multi-line text you can edit it, while for a single line text we can not edit it until we change it to a multi-line text. Also, we can change a multi-line text to a single line text, or a single line text to a multi-line text. So today we are talking about this. Yeah, so I will have my two sides. Yeah, one of the side will be if I'm using this, uh, one of the side will be enter, put it here. One of the side will be a multi-line text. In multi-line text. Multi-line text. And another one will be a single line text. If I can copy this, home, copy, select the point, let's say it's here, escape. So this one is a single line text. Yeah, so what we have used here is both a multi-line text, but as we are going down here, we shall be seeing the differences between a multi-line text and a single line text. As I said, for a multi-line text, we can be able to edit. Let's say if you want to edit this, we shall click in it twice, and it takes us to a disk folder. Yeah. So if we highlight this one can be highlighted. We can be able to change the height of this. Can be able to change the height of this word. We can be able to match the properties. We can be able to bold. Can be able to underline. If let's say I bold this, see it is becoming too much. I can underline it. I can make it an italic. I can change the color of it. Let's say green. I can justify it. I can left align it, I can right align it, I can justify, I can also center it, I can also change the line spacing, I can also use bullets, I can also change columns. Okay, if you are to see here, you find out you are able to do what you are able to change or to format this multi-line text here. So in the multi-line text, what we shall do, the procedures are simple. We go to the annotate tab. We look for multi-line text from here, which is this one. We click on the first point we want to, on the first point, and here we shall change the height of this one. Yeah, so if the height, you come here to the command line, you click height, and you enter the height of the line you want to choose. Let's say the upper one I had used 40, so in this one I can use 50. Press enter, then also specify another point. Yeah, you will see this stream coming, and it is where we shall be able to edit. Let's say if I am to write GAV-CAD, I can be able to write GAV-CAD in this stream. Yeah, so it is from here that shows what we want to do. Like I earlier said, I can bold it, I can strike through it, I can also overline, can also make powers, I can also change the uppercase and even lowercase. Okay, you find this one being very easy to work with. What about if I had a single line text? For a single line text, we check the single line text. We specify the first point, and we also specify the height. Let's say if it is 50, I can press enter. I can choose the second point. So now you see here, you are able to write in this one. Also, I can write GAV-CAD. Also, GAV-CAD. Do like this. So if you are to see here, it shows, I can write another word here. It shows the next line until you press escape. Yeah. So you see this, I can rotate it. Home tab, rotate it, specify the center of rotation. This one can rotate it solo, like that one. So since it was in vertical, I can also align it in the vertical. So this one is in GAV-CAD. So in this one, as you see, as you highlight this one, we are able to see we are unable to see we are unable to see the formatting tools here. Yeah, so this shows that it cannot be edited. Yeah, so what we have to do in order to make it a multi-line text, we shall highlight it like how we have done. We go to Express Tools. After going to Express Tools on the tab line, we change Convert to M text. Yeah, it's here, Convert to M text. Yeah, if we click here, we shall have changed it. If you now to double click in this, you find when it is a multi-line text, and we can change the properties. Let's say bolding, let's say uppercase to lowercase. You can also change the color of it. Yeah, so as I earlier said, I had not given you ways to change this one into a single line text. What we do is we have to double click in it, we highlight it, and then we come to home and we explode. Yeah, so for this one, automatically it changes to single line text. Yeah, so from changing from multi-line to a single line, what we have to do, we have to highlight the word and explode it, and it becomes a single line text. Yeah, so if you want to change it to a multi-line text again, we come to Express Tools and we convert to M text here. So from here we can see it is a multi-line text. Yeah. So then the other thing I wanted to tell you, so you see, if let's say I have my plan, any plan, let me see if I can get it. Escape. If I have my plan, I open presentation drawing like this, and then go to my model. This one is dimension is what we did last time, but let's say I can want to name this as block 1. So what do I have to do? I have to come to the annotate tab, choose multi-line text, and come, let's say here I choose the first point. I have to also choose the height of this, let's say to 40 or 50, press enter, and also choose the next point here. So I can name this as block 1. Yeah, when you press outside this stream, it able shows you that it is block 1. Yeah, if I want to change the color of this, I can just simply double click in this, highlight this all, and come to the by layer and change its color, let's say to that one. Yeah, so if let's say we wanted as a multi-line text, a multi-line, if it is a single line text, what we shall do, we shall come here, click on the drop down, choose the single line text, we select the first point, we select the height, let's say it's 50, press enter, and also specify the other point. Yeah, you'll see it coming here. So what we have to do, we have to say block 1. Yeah, so the reason why this is coming as block 1, it is because since it is, why is it coming in green? It's because our layer properties here were in dimension, and the color for dimension is green. So as long as you are doing anything in dimension, it comes as green. But if it was in the layer for furniture, how could it come about? If I change annotate tab, I press single line text and come here, select the first point, select the height, press enter, and then choose the other point, and we also write block 1. So you'll find it coming in magenta, the layer property being used. Yeah, so if we come to home, press escape. If we come to home, and then we shall find out that the layer we are using is for furniture, and it is magenta. So that's how the texting comes about. So in furniture, next time when we talk about the layer properties, if I let's say want to move the layer for dimension, if I may close this, we are unable to see these layers. And if I turn off for the furniture, if it is current, it cannot be turned off. Yeah, so if let's say I can change this one to maybe using the one which I used to come out with this shape, and I also turn off for furniture, you will not be able to see it. Yeah, once you light it, they will be able to come. That's how the layer properties work. So the next time we shall meet, we shall talk about the layer properties. Yeah, so before going far, before I conclude, I want to also bring you any other plan which I can open a new document. I browse, this one is the plan. I open this. Yeah, this is the plan. So you see the wording partial, you see master bedroom, kitchen, and anteroom, visitor's toilet, living room. So what I use it, if you let's say click on this, you can see I use it a multi-line text. Yeah. So in this one, I always like multi-line text because it is easy to work with, and you can be able to change the height of this. Let's say this one was in the red. I can change it to, let's say, to green. Yes. Any other thing I can also, if let's say I have done this and I want to match the properties with this, I come here, I can match properties. Where is it? It was here. If I highlight this, it's here, match properties. I can click this, match properties, and I also look for the press enter, and I look for this. Yeah, for this. Yeah. So Control plus Z, Control plus Z. Yeah, can come out with that. Yeah. So when we come again, we shall be able to do this. Before I go, I can also highlight on the layers, the layer properties. Yeah, you see these windows, doors, and furniture don't have the same colors. Yeah. Okay. What I had to do, I had to change them from here. Yeah, I can make my layers. If it is the roof, it is also in magenta. If it's the windows, if let's say I close this, we can no longer see the windows in this one. Yeah, can no longer see the windows and the doors in this one. So it's my, if I have to, if I write it, we can be able to see them. I see this one of dimension is also not lighted. So if I write it, you can be able to see the dimensions of the block. But what I had to do here is wanted to show you the dimensions I used in this one. So if I want to change this one into a single line text, I just come here and I highlight and I explode, and this one becomes a single line text, and it can to be justified or formatted. Yeah. So that's what we had for today. If you are new on this channel, I'm called Godfrey and I'm from AutoCAD 2D training. It is not 2D training, but we shall also be improvising, as I earlier told you. This one is the best point. If you have CAD, you can be able to work out with the other tools. After CAD, we shall go to Civil 3D. After Civil 3D, we can go to Revit structure. After Revit structure, we can go to structural analysis. So be with me now. We shall be able to work out with all these things. Yeah. So in the next video, we shall talk about how to work out with the layer properties, and also the leaders, the multi-leader section. Yeah. So you have seen sections having the arrows from certain points, and we are asking ourselves, how do this come about? Yeah, we shall be able to use the multi-leaders. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Let me see you in our next video.